How to replace a Nelson-Rigg zipper pull. So replacing a Nelson-Rigg zipper pull is actually quite simple. What we're going to do is we're going to start with a small screwdriver, such as this right here. We're then going to get the screwdriver blade, and the key is to find a screwdriver small enough to be able to gently open this gap right here. Once that gap is open, we are going to slide the zipper pull out. Looks like we need just a hair more on this guy. So now we're just going to twist the screwdriver sideways just a little bit, and we're going to open it up just a little bit more. And then we'll be able to pull the zipper pull right out. Very simple. We're going to take the new zipper pull, make sure that our logo is facing up, correct direction, and then we're going to slide it in place like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a standard set of pliers such as this. Let's open this up just a little further. We're now going to very carefully close this gap back up so that the zipper pull stays in place. And now we have replaced the zipper pull on a Nelson-Rigg bag.